In this brief video, we will cover some of the ways we can use big data to make decisions about training and development. Big data refers to the large amount of data that is collected by organizations. It comes from multiple sources and is collected using multiple methods. Two strategies we've discussed several times in this course. The data can be qualitative or quantitative, from the past or the present, about the organization, or zoomed in at the individual level. It can be financial in nature, related to performance criteria, or logs of learners' activities. There is usually more data than we need. Data mining is the process of identifying and analyzing relevant information to identify trends, patterns that can then be used to inform decision-making. More specifically, this information can be used to demonstrate a connection between training and business outcomes. Think levels 4 and 5 from the Kirkpatrick-Phillips model. It can help us identify performance gaps and training needs, and better understand how people in our organization learn. Are the trainees who watched the online lectures performing better on the knowledge tests as we would expect, for example? Big data can also help us choose the best training methods and design elements. Through social network analysis, we can use this data to identify the people whose support is crucial to training. This can include managers, leaders, experts, but it can also include people who are well connected or those who serve as communication hubs. Big data can be used to make evidence-based recommendations that are more likely to work than those based on our subjective analysis. Finally, big data is extremely valuable to training evaluation. It can help us identify the direct and indirect costs and benefits of training, and then determine how training effectiveness and ROI can be improved. Within each of these areas, we can perform different types of analyses, depending on our goals. Descriptive analytics allow us to summarize historical data for reports of profit and losses or social media metrics, for example. Predictive analytics use past and present data to make predictions about the future, using techniques like data mining, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Imagine tracking learners' search inquiries to predict training needs before they become widespread and problematic. Diagnostic analytics help us analyze a specific problem and identify the cause of that problem. We might look at learners' page views and clicks to identify why online courses or MOOCs have low completion rates. Prescriptive analytics build on these other types and attempt to find a solution using past and present data and an analysis of the problem. Which developmental opportunities are more useful for breaking the glass ceiling? As you can see, we can use big data to describe elements of the T&D system, make predictions about future needs, diagnose problems, and find solutions. Regardless of your goal, big data can provide unique insight that you can't find elsewhere.